and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning about picture-in-picture API that is provided by latest and modern browsers. The picture-in-picture API allow websites to create a floating video window always on top of other windows so that users may continue consuming media while they interact with other content sites or applications on their device. This is a very simple and straightforward code. Here we have the document object model, then we have the head tag, which title, then we have the video tag, and here I am giving the video that I am going to play, that's bigbunny.mp4, and then we have a button called toggle picture in picture, and this button have an event on click event which triggers toggle picture in picture, and this is the function. This is a very simple function. It's only checking document.picture in picture element. If it's available, then document.exit picture in picture, else if document.picture in picture enabled, video.request picture in picture. This is a very simple and straightforward code. And now let's see this in action. Here I am on my laptop. Here is the index.html file. By the way, you can download this code from my GitHub repository and experiment on your own. So this is the video that's playing. If I click and toggle picture in picture, you can see the video has shifted here on the right hand side, and if I close this, it comes back here. So let's say you have a big page with a lot of scrolling, so I'm going to add some content here with a paragraph tag, it's some I think that's enough. If I refresh that page, you see, if I click toggle picture in picture and if I scroll down the page, the video is still on the right hand side of the page, and if I want to close it, I can just click it here and it comes back here. It's available in most of the modern browsers, but some of the browsers like Opera or I think Internet Explorer Edge doesn't support this, but in most of the browsers it's available. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can reach me if you need any assistance. I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thank you.